Hello and welcome to another Rapid Spray help video. Today we're going to be going through our RapidMix units, and it's one of our new 12 volt range. And what we're going to be going through today is how to prime the pump for its first use. What we have to do first is make sure that the tank has water in it and the chemical tank has chemical in it. And then next setting is to set the dial here on the full clockwise direction till it stops. Then setting the chemical ratio dial to 7. Then we'll be able to turn the pump on, holding the trigger down on the gun for about 30 seconds. We'll clear all the air out of the lines for the pump, and then you will be able to see water coming through the end of the gun, and then you will know that the gun is primed. You may find with its first prime, trying to go through the procedure, that it doesn't want to pick up. Best solution to fix this issue is to grab a small jug of water, come around to the suction side of the pump, unclip that, pull the hose out, grab your jug of water, filling the suction line up. So you've got it full of water. Clip it back into the pump. Turn the pump on and go through the same procedure as you did before. Get into the right setting. Remember, full turn to the right in the clockwise direction, and the pump should pick up. After you've done that, you'll be able to use the ratio guide here for the chemical to set the chemical ratio on the dial to what you need, and that is normally on your chemical bottle for whatever chemical you're using in the tank. Thank you for listening to our Rapid Spray help video.